Hi friends, this is Mamta and I'm here to share a small message regarding COVID-19. Uh, to begin with, we are living in a scary time, a lot of uncertainty, a lot of fear, a lot of confusion to say the least. However, what could come in handy and what would positively impact us at this point in time is to focus on what's going well rather than cribbing and sulking about something that is not going that well. And with that said, if one of us or if one of our family members is tested positive, we would need to inform the authorities, of course, and keep your neighbors alerted because that's extremely important to, let them know so that they can be extra cautious. And if need be, they will definitely, turn in and help us and support us. Also, if the symptoms are bearable, if you're able to cope, if you're able to stay composed and calm, what you could do is isolate yourself at home, quarantine yourself for about 14 to 15 days, and consume immunity boosting foods along with some basic medication, and get yourself tested after 14 days and keep getting yourself and your immediate family members tested every 14 days until you test negative. However, if the symptoms are unbearable and if you're not able to really be at home, visit your nearest hospital and get yourself admitted, and please do not neglect it just because we have that fear in ourselves that going to a hospital can be more dangerous than helpful. However, if need be, we need to get courageous and go get ourselves admitted because medical attention and help would be important when the cases are severe, when our symptoms are unbearable. After you get well, however, do not forget to donate your plasma because that will help a lot of other people who are suffering with this illness. And yeah, another very important thing that's getting the limelight these days is mental health and the awareness around it. While this always deserved this kind of attention, I'm glad that it at least is happening right now. Mental illnesses are no longer a taboo. They are not. If somebody says so, they are wrong. These are real things, and every 1 out of 3 or 4 people has some kind of mental issue that they are going through or they're dealing with. So it's no longer a small thing. It definitely deserves all the attention and care. So if you're feeling low, if you're not feeling that well, you would need to seek counseling, seek medical help, take a psychiatrist appointment, thanks to all the virtual doctors that are available right now. So seek help and talk to your loved ones and try to deal with these situations and do not give up no matter what. And kindly keep in touch with your relatives, with your friends. Keep checking on them, keep checking how they're doing, because in times like this, somebody checking on us will mean a whole lot to us. And lastly, consume good food, healthy food, and consume food that is beneficial for your respiratory system and your immunity system as well. And follow some basic um, precautions like washing your hands often or carrying a hand sanitizer around, and wear a mask whenever you step outside of your house, and also maintain social distancing, which would be 6 feet between each person. And lastly, unless it's extremely important, do not go out of your house because it's not worth it. And I've read this quote on social media and it really spoke to me. It said, in times like this, in unprecedented times like this, in times which are so catastrophic and which are so scary, and when there's a pandemic going on, not doing anything is equivalent to doing everything. So by just staying home and not getting out onto the roads, we are actually contributing to the eradication of this virus. We are acting as responsible citizens by doing so. With that said, I'll take a leave. Thank you so much and God bless you all.